We now have a new unreleased version of Kodi available, 22 code name Pierce. And today I'm going to show you how to install the alpha version. It's actually pretty simple. That was a miss. I was going to do a toss there. I'm going to show you how to do this on the ONN Pro 2 device, but it will work on any Android-based device, and that includes Fire TV devices not named the Select running Vega OS. Very simple guide today, guys. Like always, subscribe to the channel. I'm on a goal to hit 300K subs by the end of the year. Let's get into it. Starting off on your main menu, we need to start by going to the Google Play Store. Now, you can do this a number of ways. On your ONN Pro box, go to the app section. For your Fire TV device, it's basically the same. And what we need is a very popular app, and this is going to allow us to get the unreleased version of Kodi. Just type in downloader. In fact, you can even just click on download right here, and it should pop up right away. Should be the number one option, but you want to make sure you install this one right here, okay? Not these ones. These are all fake. This first one by AFTV News, very important. Other ones are scams. You can see the review up there. Click install, and once this is installed, we'll move on to the next step. It should be fairly fast. Go ahead and open it up and wait till you get on this home screen right here. Now, you'll probably see this little red dot on your screen. You want to scroll up until you get to the search bar right here. Now, we're going to type the URL directly in because it's not very long. And what we're going to type in is Kodi, K-O-D-I, then dot, make sure you get this exactly, .tv, and then we want to find the /, which is this one right here, /download. And then go ahead and just press this check mark right here, and it should automatically load up. Now, this is going to bring you to the main Kodi menu. From here, we want to go ahead and find our operating system. We are obviously on an Android-based device because this is our ONN Pro 2 box. Now, if you search up this URL on your Windows PC, you have your Windows version right here. On your Mac, you have your Mac version and all that. So we want to go ahead and click Android right here. And then when you get to this menu, this is where we get a slight change. So you want to find the pre-release tab right here and click on it. And then you want to scroll down and you're going to see two options. The downloader can be a little touchy, but you're going to see the version 2, 22 Alpha 3, 32-bit, and then the 64-bit. Now, there's actually only a few 64-bit streaming devices. The NVIDIA Shield and the Fire TV Cube 3, I think, is 64-bit. Yes, no, comment down below if I'm wrong. But we're going to select the 32-bit. In 99 cases, that's what you want to do. Now, the great part about Downloader is it's going to automatically prompt the install and download process. So you're going to see it work through right here. Just give it a few seconds. Go grab a coffee if you need. And then you're going to get this screen after. Give it a sec. Now, you might get this pop up if it's your first time using Downloader. To solve this, all we're going to do is click Settings, and then you're going to wait for this screen to load, and you're going to make sure Downloader is checked off like this. Now, this should automatically prompt this install page. If not, just click back. You might have to re-download it. And then you can click Install right here. Now, this just takes a few seconds. Now, one thing I want to mention is you want to make sure you have your old version of Kodi uninstalled first. So if you get a device can't install or app can't install message, failed to install, just go to your apps right here, go to settings, and scroll down until you find apps. Click on search, see all apps right here, and then you'll just want to find your other version of Kodi. But in this case, I don't have another version of Kodi, so I don't have to uninstall it. But when we go to it, sorry, I have to keep moving my head back and forth, we're now going to see we're on version 22 Alpha 3. Now, before we even load up Kodi, there is one thing I suggest, and I always say this anytime you use any sort of streaming app or whatever you're doing online, because it's very important. So what I suggest you get, and this is, again, just a suggestion, if you like extra layers of protection, just go to the App Store again and type in IP Vanish. Now, some YouTubers are going to tell you you have to get it. Some people are going to try to pressure you to get it. I don't do that. Just type in IP Van or IP Vanish. It's going to bring you to the app right here. I suggest you get it. I think it's a good thing to get. I use it all the time anytime I stream because it basically hides what I'm doing even from my internet service provider. It basically goes through IPVanish's servers instead of theirs, which is very important. So go ahead and install IPVanish here, and then what you can do is really cool. You can actually pretty much connect it to any country in the world. So if I want to connect it to Indonesia right here, I can click on it. And now I'm on an Indonesian server. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you connect to. Some will be faster, some will be slower. This can also subsequently, though, increase your internet speed if it's being throttled by your internet service provider. So if you're receiving a lot of lagging, sometimes this can solve the issue. Not always, but sometimes. Now, if you don't have a subscription to IPVanish, I do have a really great deal for you guys. Down below in the description of my video, you're going to see the IPVanish link right here. And that will bring you to my customized page where you can actually get it for as low as $2.19 a month. And the best part is they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to save a little bit of money, go ahead and purchase either the yearly or 2-year plan. Very affordable and just an extra layer of protection. But once you have that or don't have it turned on, don't have it turned on, again, totally up to you guys. You can go ahead and open up Kodi here, and you're now going to have all. Let's go ahead and allow permissions here. I just have to allow Kodi to manage files right here. It'll load up, and this is the brand new Kodi 22 Alpha codename peers. Look at this loading screen. It looks pretty much the exact same, but we all know they always add a bunch of new features. So as soon as the official version comes out, I'll be talking about all the new features and also showing you how to change it up to the official one. Like always, guys, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.